How to do company name search. In this video, I'll be showing us how we can do a company name search. All you need to do is to log into the portal you want to use, either your personal portal or an agent portal. Come down to where you have new reservation, then you will be taken to this spot. Once it takes you straight down to this spot, you are going to have access to input the name that you want to do name search on by clicking on this business clarification where it says select business clarification. So it's going to pop up like this. You will see we have different clarification of business. There is business name, there is company, there is limited partnership, and there is limited liability partnership. So the one you are going for is company name, because that is what we want to do in this video. Click on the company, then you come to the business type and click on that same arrow. It will load up this for you to select the business type. Now here you can also see we have 4 different categories, 4 different types of business. The first one is private company limited by shares, private unlimited company, public company limited by shares, public unlimited company. So you are registering 1 million shares, so you pick this first one, which is private company limited by shares. Once you pick it, this green button will pop up, then you click on continue. It will pop up this box for you where you have to input the business name, that company name that you want to register. So you click on this first box where you have business name and paste that particular business name right here. You paste the name, then you come to nature of business category and pick anything. Yes, you can actually pick anything for this particular thing because it is name search you are doing. So I'll just pick this and I will pick a random nature of business. Then I will click on check availability. We only want to check if this name is available. We are yet to proceed with the registration. You can see it says congratulations, the proposed name Blessed Agency Venture Limited is available for registration. Continue. So this company name is available for us to register it. Right now we'll go deep into it in the next video. If you have watched to this extent and you are yet to like this video, make sure you click on the like button. If you are yet to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to drop your questions in the comment section if you have any question. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.